Everyone, welcome back to DKAR Info channel. In this video, let's quickly see how to install JDK and an IDE to start coding in Java. Step 1. What is JDK? JDK means Java Development Kit. It includes everything we need to write and run Java programs, like the compiler and libraries. Step 2. Download the JDK. Go to the official Oracle website, choose your operating system, Windows, Mac operating system or Linux, and install it just like any other software. Step 3. Set your environment path. If you are on Windows, open System Settings and add the JDK bin path to your environment variables. That helps your computer recognize Java commands. Step 4. Install an IDE. You can use IntelliJ IDE or Eclipse. Both are great. I recommend IntelliJ for beginners because it's simple and user-friendly. Step 5. Verify your setup. Open command prompt or terminal, type Java-version. If you see the version number, you are all set. So let me show you quickly how to set the Java path in environment variables. I have installed my JDK in this C drive. C:\program files Java JDK 17 bin. I have installed JDK 17. Take this path. Okay. Just click on this PC, right click, properties, click on advanced system settings and then go to the tab advanced tab. It's already been selected. Click on environment variables, go to system variables. By selecting path, this is the existing path. Okay, we have to be add the JDK bin path to this path. Just click on edit and add new. This is the what I have been added, and then click OK. Now open your command prompt or terminal by typing cmd. See here, just type here Java-version. See, path has been set successfully, Java version 17. Thank you for watching DKAR Info channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it.